In this video, we're going to show you how a tape machine works here with Chris Mara at Mara Machines and Winter NAMM 2019. So get ready to rock. I'm Lid Shaw, and if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to record, edit, mix, and master your best record ever, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything from us here at Recording Studio Rockstars. So I'm here at Winter NAMM 2019 right now, standing here with Chris Mara of Mara Machines. How you doing, Chris?
I'm doing great. Having a great show.
Let's show the Rockstars what a tape machine is all about. A lot of people have never really seen one and could use an introduction to one.
Right, and I'd say about 90% of the people that buy machines from us have never owned or used one before. So we have all the tools to help you figure it out. So the basis of a professional tape machine is a 3-head system. So the tape moves this way, and this is the erase head, this is the record head, and this is the reproduce head. So we can monitor either one of those as we play. So if you look at the view meters right now, we're monitoring the input of the tape machine. By playing record, we're still monitoring the input until I switch to monitor the playback. So we're recording this on the tape and playing it back at the same time.
All right, take it. So let's back that up just a sec and talk about signal flow a little bit. So right now you have an iPad set up to send some sound to the tape machine, right?
Yep. So we're just sending to Spotify. So at our booth, people can pull up a record that they might have mixed or know really well and hear it on tape. So again, we can switch input, and we're listening right off of this card, right off the input of the card, right out of the machine. And we switch to reproduce, we're listening to this card and that head at the same time. What this means to you as an engineer is you can print your mixes from Pro Tools back into Pro Tools in real time. You don't have to record it, rewind it, and play it back. Or you could take a vocal that you did a whole vocal comp on, and you could play it out of Pro Tools to the tape machine and back into Pro Tools in real time, just like sending it to a compressor or something, and then just line it up.
Right, dig it. So if you're an input, then the signal's literally just coming into the tape machine from the iPad, and it's just going through the circuitry and back out, right?
Yep. Exactly.
But then when you want to record onto it, you need to do a few things to the tape. You need to have the erase head there because it's going to erase whatever was on the tape. And then it's going to use the record head to print this sound onto the tape. And then the repro head is the next one that's going to play it back off the tape, right?
The tape is going this way. We have an erase head, record head, and reproduce head.
So the tape is physically running across those heads, which means that there's going to be a little bit of a delay between when it gets recorded on and when it gets played back, right?
Exactly. And speaking of delay, it's a bad thing sometimes, but it's a really good thing some other times. So you can use these as a creative part of your mix by using that reproduce head. And you can change the delay time by changing the speed of the tape, like this. This is our tape reference. This is fixed speed, so it's at 15 inches per second. If I switch this to variable speed, I can change the speed of the tape.
And we actually see the reels going faster.
So then the tape is going from here to here, faster or slower, changing our delay time. And if you've heard any music ever, you've heard tape delay.
That's actually a way that you can create a really cool delay.
Yeah, I mean, Elvis is the most famous tape delay sound, and it's a classic sound.
So that's one way to think about tape and delay. But the other concept about the delay is if we want to actually print our sounds to the tape machine, what if we got a multi-track session? Can we even take a 2-track like this and still use tape if we started out in Pro Tools?
Yeah, totally. Yeah, you can take that vocal we talked about out to tape and back. There will be that delay. There's videos on our Mara Machines website to walk you through this, but you just have the transient and you get the 2 line back up, and then they're perfect. There's no drift or anything.
You just move the track back in Pro Tools and now it's all lined up, but you've got that tape sound on all your stuff,
Exactly.
which is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for showing us that, Chris. This is really awesome. Anything the Rockstars need to know about what if they need to go pick up a tape machine?
MaraMachines.com. And we make tape machines of all sizes and all budgets.
Thanks for watching, Rockstars. Remember to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and drop a comment in below and let us know if you've ever used a tape machine, or if you got any more questions, we'll answer them.
Yeah, and we got videos to help you get started if you've never done it before. No big deal.
Thanks for watching. Cheers.